A legal assistant plays a critical role in supporting lawyers, managing case documentation, and ensuring that legal processes run smoothly and efficiently. Whether in a law firm, a corporate legal department, or a government office, this position demands organization, confidentiality, and an understanding of legal terminology. During interviews, employers focus on evaluating a candidate's communication skills, attention to detail, and ability to manage sensitive information responsibly. In this video, we'll explore common legal assistant interview questions with detailed answers and practical tips to help you perform confidently and professionally in your next interview. Understanding the role of a legal assistant. A legal assistant provides essential administrative and clerical support to attorneys and legal teams. Typical duties include drafting correspondence, preparing case files, managing appointments, and researching legal precedents. Legal assistants also handle filing systems, organize exhibits for court proceedings, and ensure that deadlines are met. This position requires multitasking, discretion, and a solid understanding of legal processes. Since accuracy and confidentiality are crucial in this field, interviewers often assess your organizational skills, communication style, and ability to handle pressure. Employers also value professionalism and your capacity to prioritize tasks while maintaining a calm and respectful demeanor, especially when dealing with sensitive or high-stakes cases. Question 1. Why do you want to work as a legal assistant? Here's how you can answer. I'm drawn to the legal field because I enjoy work that requires precision, research, and organization. As a legal assistant, I can contribute to the efficiency of the legal team by managing details, supporting case preparation, and ensuring documents are properly maintained. I find satisfaction in keeping things structured and helping lawyers focus on their legal strategy. Tip: show your genuine interest in law and your appreciation for behind-the-scenes support work. Question 2. What are the main responsibilities of a legal assistant? Here's how you can answer. A legal assistant's responsibilities include drafting and proofreading legal documents, organizing case files, conducting preliminary research, scheduling meetings, and maintaining communication between clients and attorneys. The role also involves filing legal paperwork with courts and ensuring all deadlines are strictly met. Tip: demonstrate that you have researched the position and understand its importance in the legal process. Question 3. How do you handle confidential information? Here's how you can answer. I treat all client information and case materials with the utmost confidentiality. I follow firm policies regarding document storage, password protection, and data privacy. I also avoid discussing case details outside the office and ensure that sensitive files are securely managed at all times. Tip: emphasize integrity, discretion, and your respect for ethical and legal confidentiality standards. Question 4. How do you stay organized when managing multiple cases or deadlines? Here's how you can answer. I rely on scheduling tools, case management software, and prioritized task lists to stay organized. I start by identifying deadlines and breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Regular check-ins with the attorney ensure that I'm aligned with priorities, and I adjust my workflow as needed when urgent cases arise. Tip: highlight your ability to balance multiple responsibilities with efficiency and attention to deadlines. Question 5. Can you describe your experience with legal software or databases? Here's how you can answer. I've worked with software like Clio, LexisNexis, and Microsoft Office Suite for document preparation and research. I'm comfortable learning new programs quickly, and I make sure to stay updated on tools that improve accuracy and case management. Tip: mention specific platforms you know, but also stress adaptability if you're new to a particular system. Question 6. How do you ensure accuracy in legal documents? Here's how you can answer. I proofread every document multiple times and cross-check all dates, names, and legal citations. I also use digital tools to check grammar and formatting, but I rely primarily on careful manual review. Accuracy is crucial, so I never rush through document preparation. Tip: employers value precision. Show that you take responsibility for error-free documentation. Question 7. How do you handle working under pressure? Here's how you can answer. I understand that law offices can be high-pressure environments, especially when deadlines are tight. I stay calm by maintaining an organized schedule and prioritizing tasks by urgency. If needed, I communicate early about workload challenges to ensure everything is completed on time. Tip: highlight composure, time management, and proactive communication during stressful situations. Question 8. Describe a time when you helped improve office efficiency. Here's how you can answer. In my previous job, I noticed that our document filing system made it difficult to retrieve case materials quickly. I reorganized the folders by case number and date, and created a simple digital index. This change reduced retrieval time and made the team's workflow more efficient. Tip: use an example that shows initiative and problem-solving in improving systems or processes. Question 9. How do you prioritize tasks when several attorneys need assistance simultaneously? Here's how you can answer. I start by evaluating each task's urgency and deadline. I communicate with the attorneys to confirm priorities, then create a plan that ensures critical tasks are completed first. I also keep them informed of progress so expectations remain clear. Tip: show that you use judgment, communication, and flexibility to balance competing priorities effectively. Question 10. How do you handle a mistake in a legal document? Here's how you can answer. If I notice a mistake, I correct it immediately and notify the attorney to ensure transparency. I review the source document to identify where the error occurred and double-check similar documents to prevent repetition. Mistakes happen, but accountability and prompt correction maintain trust and accuracy. Tip: stress honesty, quick action, and commitment to learning from errors. Question 11. How do you maintain professionalism with clients? Here's how you can answer. I maintain professionalism by being courteous, attentive, and maintaining confidentiality. I listen carefully to client needs, avoid giving legal advice, and ensure all communication reflects the firm's standards. Even in stressful situations, I remain calm and respectful. Tip: show emotional intelligence, respect, and a clear understanding of your role's boundaries. Question 12. Why should we hire you as our legal assistant? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I combine strong organizational and communication skills with a deep respect for the legal process. I'm reliable, detail-oriented, and take pride in supporting attorneys so they can focus on their legal strategy. My proactive approach and commitment to confidentiality align perfectly with the standards of this position. Tip: summarize your skills and personality traits in a way that reflects the firm's culture and values. Preparation tips for a legal assistant interview. Before your interview, review the firm's areas of practice, such as corporate law, family law, or criminal defense, and tailor your answers to match. Familiarize yourself with common legal terms and the types of documents relevant to that practice area. Be ready to discuss examples that demonstrate your ability to multitask, manage confidentiality, and maintain professionalism under pressure. Practice explaining how you manage deadlines and organize information. Legal work thrives on detail, so examples of how you maintained accuracy or improved systems will impress interviewers. Also, dress formally and maintain clear, confident communication throughout the interview. Finally, express genuine interest in learning and growing within the legal profession. Employers appreciate candidates who view the role as a foundation for continuous improvement and contribution to the firm's success. Final thoughts. A legal assistant interview tests not only your knowledge and administrative abilities but also your judgment, integrity, and professionalism. Employers look for individuals who can manage a demanding workload while protecting sensitive information and supporting attorneys effectively. If you approach the interview with confidence, clarity, and a strong sense of responsibility, you'll stand out as a dependable professional. Show your passion for organization, accuracy, and confidentiality, and you'll leave a lasting impression as a candidate ready to contribute meaningfully to the legal team.